bitter leaf soup pro max. Yes. So these are some of the ingredients we'll be using. This is dried catfish, very tasty. This fish go carry go where you know the fish the taste too makes sense. If you make use and make soup for your hobby, now so you go say you thank you. Might not go even know when you go tell you thank you, ma. I tells you. So this bitter leaf, we have stocked fish, we have intestine and tower, and let's get started, guys. So we have an empty pot. Introduce our fresh protein, which is tower and intestine. Then our stockfish will follow suit. Then our beef. One cube of seasoning. Water, salt, cover and allow it to steam. Then return back to this. This is crayfish, fresh pepper and uziza seed. I'm pounding the three together, for easy cooking now. So this is the uziza seed. This seed, hey, go change your taste of soup. Try it and thank me later. So I've already introduced inside the pot. Then I'll be pounding the cocoyam that I'll be using for the soup. This is our thickener, cocoyam. Yeah, so I already boiled it, so it's very soft. Yeah, it's cooked already. So I'll have to remove the bag, then introduce inside our mortar before pounding. At this point, it is good to go. I'll then introduce it into the pot. I'll have to do it like this so that it will not take time before it segregates. After which, I will introduce our palm oil. Then the next thing is ogiri opehe. This one na local maggi. Hey, this one, if you're making the soup and you don't have these ingredients, my dear, the soup is not complete. You need this to complete your bitter leaf soup. Yeah, ogiri opehe. I'm sure you understand what I'm talking about. That's if you've tried it before. This is our secret ingredients. If you don't have this for your bitter leaf soup, then that bitter leaf is not complete. I tells you. I'll then allow it to continue cooking. Then add small Ghana pepper, just a little, because we already added fresh pepper. Then introduce our smoked catfish. Then at this point, we're gonna add our chief host, which is bitter leaf. Hi besties, at this point our soup is good to go. Yeah, start coming over with your plate, your washed hands, your pando, whatever. Start coming, let's dissect it together. Oh guy, I won't stop this video without thanking every of my subscribers on YouTube. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video, both new, old and intended subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you're still contemplating whether to subscribe to this channel or not, please do well and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you're notified each time we upload a new video. You see, I'll be dissecting my soup with this. Let me also seize this opportunity to thank every of my followers on Facebook. Thank you for always coming by. Thank you for your likes, comments, and shares. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. Watch out for our next upload. Ciao, ciao.